Converting your old car's AC system to accept modern refrigerant R134a is very simple. There are only 3 spots under the hood to address: a low pressure side adapter and Schrader valve, a high pressure side adapter, and the orifice tube. Note, if there's any refrigerant in the system, you'll want to take it to a shop to have it properly removed. Give the threads a quick clean with a nylon or brass brush before you start following the instructions in the kit. I picked up the adapter kit, a new orifice tube, and an orifice tube puller from AutoZone. The high pressure side on my Squarebody Suburban is down on the lower hose. Be sure not to get the high and low pressure valves mixed up. Be careful not to over tighten the adapter. I did, and it mangled the O-ring. Thankfully, I had the correct size O-ring in the garage. Be sure to use 2 wrenches on the high pressure side when accessing the orifice tube to avoid unwanted torque on the AC lines. Some people use needle nose pliers to remove the orifice tube, but I highly recommend using the correct orifice tube puller to avoid breaking the orifice tube and creating a much bigger problem for yourself. Once you subscribe, replace the orifice tube, and thread the AC lines back together, you can take your truck to the shop to have your AC recharged. If there are no leaks in the system, you'll be good to go with a nice cool breeze while you're cruising on a hot day. Be sure to watch my video on replacing the AC blower motor to get better airspeed and stay cooler.